Hello, today we're going to talk about how to use JSNAPY to run multiple checks across devices. So there are a lot of videos in my channel that speaks about different ways you can run JSNAPY and what you could do with it. So this particular video talks about how to invoke multiple test cases within JSNAPY to perform checks. So quickly looking at the script, so run multiple checks. So to a device here, which I try to connect, I want it to do a check on alarms and check on core dumps. If there is anything, it's like a health check. If there's anything that it reports, it will quickly tell me whether the test is a fail or a pass. So to call the script, I call JSNAPY. So obviously the check alarm, I'll just demonstrate what is inside the check alarm script. So I'm just going back to the folder which has my detailed test alarm. So here it is. So it is checking for alarms. If there's any alarms, it is going to tell me. If there's no alarms, obviously it is going to pass. If there's an alarm present on the box, it's going to error and tell me what is the alarm. Likewise, I also have core dump YAML check, where it is going to check if there is a core. Not exist obviously is a condition that checks if it is valid or not. If there is a core dump, it is going to report an error. If there is no core dump, it will not report an error. So this is exactly what this particular test is looking for. It's checking these things. So let's invoke the script and see how it works. So I call JSNAPY, then I do snap check, the file name, and then I call run multiple checks. So here it connects. You can see that the script ran. It connected and checked show chassis alarm, show system alarms, and show system core dumps. These were what was being checked on my script. Obviously, when the outputs came, you can see that show chassis alarm was having some errors related to license, which is why it's printed out an alarm saying that this is a failure condition. Show system alarms is just replicating the same information. Again, telling me that it is failed because there are alarms active on the box. Finally, it was checking for core dumps, which is the second test. As you can see, the first test is check chassis alarms, the second test is core dumps, and it found a core dump. That is why this tail test also failed. So total number of tests failed is 3, because the first test looked for 2 commands, the second test looked for 1 command, so total 3 commands. So all tests have failed in this case. So this is just a quick way to overall check if your system is good, no chassis alarms, no core dumps across your network. Sometimes these are things that will help operations in day-to-day basis. Hope you like it. Bye for now.